that just one word?
Yeah.
Also Pakistan. Great conversations with Pakistan. You know, we can't forget them. And because it does take two to tango. And with India, I felt very certain. And with Pakistan, I also talked about trade. Oh, they would love to trade. They would love to trade. You know, they're brilliant people. And we don't do much trading with them. And yet I have a good relationship with. I have a good relationship with a lot of people that you wouldn't believe.